If your credit card is getting declined on Epic Games, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get back to buying games as quickly as possible. This usually happens because of a small card detail error, a billing mismatch, a bank security block, or even a temporary payment restriction on the card itself. The good news is that most of these issues are easy to fix once you know what to check. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, double check all of your card details carefully. Open Epic Games and make sure your card number is entered correctly, the CVV is accurate, and the expiry date is still valid. Even one wrong digit can cause the payment to fail instantly. If you recently got a new card, make sure you are not using the old details by mistake. Next, check that you have enough money available on the card. Sometimes a card is technically active, but the balance is too low, or the bank is holding funds for another pending transaction. If you are using a debit card, this step is especially important because Epic Games may reject the payment if the available balance is lower than the purchase amount. After that, verify your billing address. The billing name and address on Epic Games need to match the records your bank has on file. If your address, postal code, or region is entered differently, your bank may see the transaction as suspicious and decline it. So go into your payment settings and carefully confirm that everything matches exactly, including abbreviations and formatting. Another thing to check is whether your bank allows international or online gaming transactions. Some cards block certain types of purchases by default, especially if Epic Games is being processed as an online or overseas payment. Log into your bank app or contact your bank and ask them to enable international transactions and authorize Epic Games payments. In many cases, that alone solves the problem. If your card still keeps getting declined, try linking it through PayPal instead. Sometimes Epic Games will accept the payment more easily when the card is attached to PayPal because PayPal can act as an extra layer between your bank and the store. Just add your card to PayPal, confirm it is verified, and then choose PayPal as the payment method inside Epic Games. If it still does not work, the issue may simply be on the bank side. Call the number on the back of your card or contact your bank support team and ask them to approve the Epic Games charge manually. Banks sometimes flag game store purchases as unusual, even when everything is correct. Once they whitelist the transaction, the payment often goes through right away. If you have already tried everything and it still fails, wait 24 hours and try again later. Some banks place a temporary security lock after multiple failed attempts, and retrying too many times can make the block worse. Giving it a full day can reset the security system and allow the next payment to go through normally. So to recap, check your card details, confirm your balance, match your billing address, enable international transactions, try PayPal, contact your bank if needed, and wait 24 hours if the payment security lock is temporary. Those are the fastest ways to fix a declined credit card on Epic Games. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful fixes, and I'll see you in the next video.